Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Liberty Mutual for payments and statements, full guide step by step clearly. To begin authorizing with Liberty Mutual for payments and statements, visit the official Liberty Mutual website. Look for the login option, usually located at the top right corner of the home page. Click on Login to access the sign-in page. If you already have an account, enter your credentials, including your email and password. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one by selecting the Sign Up option. Follow the prompts to enter your personal information, including your policy number and other required details. After completing the sign-up process, return to the login page and sign in using your newly created credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Payments section found in the main menu. In the Payments section, you will find options to set up your payment methods. Select the Authorize Payments option to proceed. Here, you can link your bank account or credit card for payment purposes. Follow the easy instructions to enter your payment details securely. Read through the terms and conditions presented on the screen. If you agree, check the box indicating your acceptance. Then, click on the Submit button to finalize your payment authorization. To set up statement preferences, return to the main menu and locate the Statements section. Click on this section to choose how you would like to receive your statements. Options may include email delivery or through online access in your account. Once you select your preference, confirm your choice by clicking Save or Confirm. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your payment and statement preferences have been successfully authorized. To ensure everything is set correctly, you can review your settings in the Account section at any time. With these steps completed, you are now authorized for payments and statements through Liberty Mutual. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.